Alright, so we're going to start by creating the chart. Basically, the chart consists of numbers and letters, and we just go down the line. So each column has an S2, then after 2, each column has a P6, after 3, each column has a D10, and then after 4, which you'll see in a sec, every column has an F14. Basically, that just means the number of electrons in the outer whatever. So like 1s2 just means 2 electrons. 2s2, 2p6, that just means a total of 8 electrons because of the 2 and the 6. And you just kind of go down the line. So like if you have like 10 and you need 10, you do 1s2 and that's 2 there. Then you do 2s2, which is 4, and then the 2p6 and that's 10. But we'll get to that later. Basically, it's just once you get F14, there's no more after that, and it just becomes the same. Alright, here are the rules. 1 orbital means 2 electrons, which is it's like the furthest left column. Then, after that, you can go up. Psych, I lied. You can't go up. You can only go lower than the number of whatever. For instance, you can do like 2p5, but you can't do 2p7. That's just not allowed. I don't know why. It's just not allowed. Alright, so here's our first example. It's going to be carbon. Carbon is 6. It has like 6 total electrons, and that's just the number of the periodic table. I forget what it's called. Anyway, we're going to find it. And basically, all we're doing is we're just adding up the table that I just showed you guys above. So basically, it would be 1s2, then it would be 2s2, then 2p2. Yeah. So basically, all we want to do is we want to add up those numbers to get 6. Alright, so the next example is going to be neon. Neon has 10. What we're going to do is we're going to do 1s2, 2s2, and then 2p6. Basically, you just got to add them all up, get that 10, and you'll be set. For a third example, has that weird rule thing. I kind of do that in carbon, but it's whatever. Fluorine has 9, so that's 1s2, then it's 2s2, then it's 2p5. Remember, you can go lower, you just can't go higher than the whatever number. Alright, so the last one we need to do is argon, and argon's 18. So we're going to do 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, because we have to go in order of that table. I sent a picture to the group chat. It has like the arrows going down. Just follow that and you'll be fine. And again, you just want to add them up to get them right. So for abbreviations, you're going to be given an element. You have to make it shorter. And we're going to be given phosphorus. The way we do this is we find the last completed noble gas. Noble gas is the far right on your periodic table. Phosphorus is 15. The one that already happened is neon. That's 10. So we're going to write neon in a bracket, Ne. Now, neon already has the 1s2, 2s2, all that jazz. And we need to get to 15. So we're going to write 3s2 and then 3p3. Because that's what neon's already missing. Like, you already have that in neon. You got to find what else is missing. Chlorine's going to be the same thing because neon's the closest completed. You don't want to go above it. So you don't want to go to like argon at 18. You have to go, it's already completed. And again, it already has the 1s2, 2s2, all that. So you just need to add on to whatever's left.